Hey there, welcome to Crooked Willow Farm. Well, back out at the house again today. And today we're here to drop off the knobs, or as my wife says, the knobs, and the handles for the cabinets. Everything else is done. Still, I'm gonna spin you around here and show you the countertops. Well, the lack of the countertops. And she can show you the knobs.
Oh, there they are.
So let's get it spun around here and see what's going on.
That'll look nice, don't you think?
I think those will look real nice.
And then is there one that you had already opened? No?
No, there's not a knob that's already open. So you got to decide, do you want it there
I think I want it there.
or do you want it up like this?
I don't think so. I think I like it here. What do you think?
Well, you're going to have two of them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What do you think?
I kind of like it up.
Up? Like a
Oh, here.
quarter of the way up?
No, just 2 or 3 inches. You stand back and look.
Okay.
Right there
Uh-huh.
or right there.
I don't know. I think I like it down.
Well, you
What
get,
do you...
you put it wherever you
even
want it.
with this center, whatever this thing's called,
That would be the rail.
or above it.
I would put it just above. See, because you also have to think about these right here. If you put that in the corner, you have to put this right in the corner. Or you can put it.
Okay, so in the center.
In the corner like that, or down, just below the rail, or the stile.
Whatever this is.
That's a rail. I like it down there myself.
You think?
Yeah, I do.
All right, so where's our spot?
I like that.
Huh. Is this not open? Oh, look! Oh,
See, it opens 2 ways. You can open it like this, or you can open it this way.
oh, I love it. I don't know what I'm going to put in there.
And this one does the same thing.
Oh. Oh, it's got the spinny thing.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot all about the spinny thing.
Mm-hmm. We've got the good spinny things.
Hot diggity. I'm in love.
Okay, so you guys tell me, where should we put the knobs? In the corner or off the rail, offset in the corner? Comment below, let me know, because this is an important decision. We're stuck with it once we do it. Once we drill those holes, that's it. There is no going back. So give me a comment.
Should we put a picture up there or a mirror?
I don't know how you would, I don't know if you drill into this stuff. I think you would. You can't nail into it.
First thought is a mirror.
All right, I need your opinion again. Tell me what to put above my mantle. A picture, a painting, or a mirror? My wife says a mirror, and I don't know. Depends on the paintings I have and the mirror
We
I
have a
have.
lot of pictures and we might have several mirrors.
So, leave a comment, let me know. All right, well, we're all done at that. We're all done at the house. So I think we're going to go to a nature preserve now and check things out, or maybe see some eagles and some birds, and I'll try and get some video of that. So it was a short one this week.
Again,
Again,
another short one.
Another short one. At least it's not a short. It's pizza time. But that's about all we got for right now.
For right now.
So see you next week. Bye.
Bye.
Well, here we are. We're at a wildlife refuge. We've been driving for, I don't know, about an hour to get here. We've been here before. It's a pretty cool place. Let me spin around here and show you what we're looking at. From what I understand, the mounds that you're seeing out there are muskrat homes, muskrat dens, whatever you want to call them. I don't know. So this is a pretty cool place. I'm not sure what they call it. Eagle Pool, maybe? Let's walk over here. Los Bluffs National Wildlife Refuge. You can see they have eagles here. It's a no hunting zone. Stopover for waterfowl, plants, all kinds of things. Let's walk up the stairs. Walk up there and follow Leslie up here. See what she's looking at.
We're just on the wrong side, maybe. I don't know.
What are we looking at?
Cars. I'm not looking at anything. I saw some large birds flying off over here, but not close.
I see a plane. I don't see any wildlife.
Hiding from me. How rude. It'd be helpful if there was more water out here, huh?
Yeah, but it is the dry season.
Yeah. Plus we've had a drought.
All right, let me turn around here so you can see my face. All right, well.
Yeah, there's an eagle over there.
We're probably going to, oh, you see an eagle?
Well, he's over there.
Okay.
Let's drive over there.
We're going to take the 10-mile loop and see what we can see, because we didn't do that last time we were here. So let's go.